All right, so if you want to sell your dog in order for you to get cash, all right, so I want to show you how to do it. This is my bybit, and we're going to be using bybit for this one. And right now I just have 97 90 I mean 49 here, $49. And in my previous video I showed you how to convert your dog to USDT. So let's assume we've already converted it to USDT. So once you have done that, if you have not converted yours to USDT, you might want to check the link in the description box of this video. I will leave the link there to convert your dog to USDT. But if you have done that, congratulations. So now you have your money. So let's sell this. Let me show you how to sell. Let's go to right now you can see P2P trading. But if you cannot see P2P trading right here, click on more. All right, so let's assume we click on more. Then it's gonna give you more services. Under more services here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see P2P under buy crypto. So you're gonna see buy crypto, so you're gonna see P2P right here. So click on P2P. So immediately you click on P2P, you're just going to wait for it. Once you wait for it, so just go ahead to click on sell. All right, click on sell and make sure you have this as NGN Nigeria. If you are watching from Nigeria, if you are watching from Ghana, put your Ghana here, but for Nigeria, put Nigeria, which is NGN. Then you click on sell. Then we want to filter price, so I'm going to click on this amount. It's in 20,000, so I'm going to put 20,000 right in the amount. Okay, so if you want to sell, oh, don't worry, just follow the steps. All right, so I'm gonna put 20,000 in this amount. So let's put 20,000. So now that you put 20,000, all you need to do is to just click on confirm. Once you confirm that, just wait for it to load and just refresh. It will refresh this page. So now that it has refreshed the page, just you can see many of these guys are ineligible, maybe they've done something and maybe they didn't deliver, so that's why they're ineligible. So you just scroll down to the one you will see sell right here, and what you need to look for, you are looking for if the person is online. You can see online, then you're looking for amount of sales this person have done. So amount of orders, you can see a 93% rate. Okay, now that you've seen a guy, and you can see bank transfer also, but sometimes you will see Access Bank, GTB. Don't do that, just go for anyone with bank transfer and also online, and also the price. So this is the price that this person is willing to buy from you. So click on sell. Now that you've clicked on sell, what you need to do next is to go ahead and just make sure you click all if you want to sell, or if you want to sell some part of your money, just put the amount you want to sell here. Let's say you want to do $20, you just put $20, $30, you put $30, $40, $50, depending on how many USDT you have there. So let's say I have 20 USDT, I will put 20 USDT, and immediately it's going to tell me how much is that will be in naira. So if I want all, I'll click on all, and if I'm not sure of how much USDT I have there, I can click on fiat. So I'm going to put naira, but let's just stick with USDT. So click all because I'm selling all. Now that I've clicked all, I'm selling $49, so that will be 78,000. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this bank transfer. Then I'm going to select my bank. So I have two banks here. I have OPay and I have my Kuda. So I'm going to select my OPay. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Now that I've done that, I'm going to hit sell button. So now all I need to do is to say the add status of your P2P order has been changed. So I'm going to click on confirm that, and because I think the guy has changed price, so I'm going to look for another person. Quickly look for another person. So this is another person, right? This is 1,569. So I'm going to click OK and just make sure it's bank transfer. Click on all. Then once you click on all, I want to sell all. oh, this person do not have so much, he only has, see the quantity, this person only has 23 USD left, so he can't buy more than 23 USD, and I want to sell 40 something, so I can't sell to this guy. I'll go back. So let's check back and see another person that is online. This person is online bank transfer and is buying from 1,560, 3,000 orders. So let's click on sell. No problem. Let's just go ahead and click all. Then this time around 77,000. I'm gonna click this one, OPay, confirm, then click on sell. All right. Again, say the ad status of your P2P order has been changed. I don't know why it's changing everything. So I think it's just because many of them are trying to change the price and all, they are reducing prices. So you can see the price has gone down again. So let's quickly use this guy. This guy 7 hours ago. No, I'm not going to do this guy. This guy, I have to wait and wait. So I'm not going to use him. So this one is 2 minutes ago. So I can still go with this one. Sell all. Bank transfer, CUDA, confirm, then click on sell. Okay, now that we've clicked that guy to sell from, so we are selling, the amount of money we're going to get is 77,000. And don't forget, we are also going to we are selling for 1,560 naira, and we're selling total of 49.4062 cents. All right, so now we are just going to click on this part that says contact buyer. Now that you've clicked on contact buyer, all you just need to do is to say I or read what he says. Say stay online to receive coin, to release coin, to release coin on time, and don't pay couple. Drop your phone number for fast transaction, and we are good to trade. So I'm going to quickly drop my phone number. Okay, so once I've dropped my phone number, I'm just going to wait for the guy. So we can go back. I can just click back. So I wait for it. Once this guy says I'm paying to my account, this button is going to be is going to come out in a good color, which means that it's clickable, but now it's not clickable. So then I can click it, but I need to confirm if I've received this total amount of money in my bank account. So let's wait for it. So right now I've seen that this guy I've marked that he has paid me. So, and I can see my OPay logo at the top. So I'm going to drag my screen so you can see here. You can see the money 77,000 right here. All right, 77,073 naira. So that shows that this guy has paid. So what I need to do is to just go ahead and click on release. All right, click on that. So once you click that, you're going to mark this and mark this, then you click on release now. Once you click on release now, you acknowledge it. So once you acknowledge it, once you've done that, you're going to put in your password. So yeah, if you have not set your transaction password before, which is fund password, the fund password is going to ask you to set the fund password. Just quickly do that. But for me, I'm going to do that since I have a password. I put my password and click confirm, then that's all you need to do. Now I've completed the transaction. Everybody can go their separate way, so I can go back. All right, I can go back again, and also go back again, and this money I have nothing here again. Now that I've sold my coin, that is how to sell. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. You can also join us in the Telegram group for more updates on new coin, on new projects you can do to make more money. And I will see you in there. Bye for now.